Is cultach gan danig a bheochaig minchan an Germanach sa fálainn, get bhar an dúr gan bigi basachaig run a seo. Ha ochnar acail háast ac an roimh a hús as ha filanta, agus ginir ile a chanan úsachaig go iad a filantais, ach a iad is háast down as an anichaig officail nach le a chanan háast. Seo Andreas Wolf.
An y sgir y Silesia gan y fálainn, ha ys y brin minchad yn gymabig y fel Wymysiöeryś. Ha ochnar acail ag gyfeli fo hús agus a ha filanta. Ag tosach na linie war y smungen gan bigi basachig run an aum seo.
Goed nama, ik heb bij thema van flora. According to my estimations, it should happen just in a decade, so around 2010, 2015. We are 2024, and actually the knowledge of the language, but also the prospects of the language are much better. We should quote Joshua Fishman, never say die.
Maar a hachel joont zich den je klanje en kanen van een nenny ake.
Skakund, ik has tuma from dukter, ik koos Wymysiöeryś en we hebben de meier woud voor de derwisse. I spent the most time with my nanny, and she was a native speaker of Wymysiöeryś, and she spoke Wymysiöeryś with her friends or cousins who visited her. And so it was the language of my childhood.
She kanen Germanach a hanna Wymysiöeryś. Maar Germalchach get a ganiches mi fachkel noga chanel mi ga hükshen. Bam henne ver hien as gide Silesia a warmer farst gan Germalch. Ach as je an darne kokki, hai ische agus da willen njach giek ille a ruukig as an dachanen.
Everywhere around there were ethnic Germans who were forcibly resettled, and the ladies from Wymysiöeryś, asked for official recognition as Anglo-Saxons. There's a very strong, well, let's say, clan of foxes who know they originated from Scotland.
The language was forbidden in 1945. So there are people who were 10 years old and they could speak only Wymysiöeryś, and then they had to stop, and now they don't speak Wymysiöeryś, but they are native speakers of Wymysiöeryś because they were 10 years old as they started to learn Polish, yeah? But they are not fluent. So if we would count all people who used to be fluent in Wymysiöeryś, there would be maybe 200.
Maar joont zich mische tudus gu Silesia Wicherkiewicz, waar an realtas klassischen kanein to winchlogen leech na Germachich a herakal, a horchis wo 3 uren ge unwersen jachken. Ach ha an realtas shin hiunda garasjenisch. Haniel Wymysiöeryś in na bonach kshen haaskata.
Because Wymysiöeryś is not recognized as a regional language, it cannot be taught at school as, for example, as Kashubian language or German as minority language. But in teaching, what is important that I have taught and I teach still the language.
Gurike show ha chimichal jechner innewach gane jonsige kuire filantisch. Andreas Wolf, BBC ALBA.